Welcome to our Python programming premium video. What is Python programming? Python programming is a high level and general purpose interactive programming language. About the Python programming, first, it is a free and open source programming language. It means that it is distributed and even used as a commercial purpose. And the second is the Python is a simple and elegant syntax. It means it is easier to write and read the program as compared to the another programming languages like the C++, Java or C Sharp. And the third thing is the portability, and the Python is a Python programs can move from one platform to the another platform without change. It is the only programming language that can be moved from one platform to another without changes. It means easier to transport it. Now we have to study about the why we learn the Python programming. Now first is the Python programming is easy syntax, easy to learn, and code is very readable. And the second thing is the Python has a lot of applications, like it is used in a web development, data science and machine learning, deep learning, etc. And Python allows write programming in the fewer lines, and it not take the more lines to write the same program as the C and the C Sharp. And it is used as a best language to learn first as a beginner. Now the Python project ideas for a beginner, like the game development, desktop app development, web app development, web scraping and machine learnings, etc. And we can use it as a calculator and other things, etc. Now we write the first program in our mobile, as you have not a computer or a PC. Now first go to the Chrome and search it https://repl.it. Now I have write this and search here. Now it opens. Now tap on the start coding, and if you want to write the code again in this website, so sign up and then now select the language in which you want to write the program. I am going to write program in Python, so I will select the Python language. Now it create the environment. Now the environment created, and it make a file for me and named min.py. Now here you have to write the program. Now I am going to print the hello world, so I will write the syntax for hello world printing on the console. Now we have to write print, फिर उसके बाद brackets, and in brackets we write in the double quotes of the hello world. And now tap on the green button and see the output. We done this. Now there is, you see, hello world is printing on the console. Now if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Bye bye, meet you again next time.